In this video, we will see how to fix error code 215 can't nest calls to land module. Error nesting not allowed on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the possible solution. And the first one is go to your problematic app, right click on it and choose run as administrator. So run your problematic app as administrator mode. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on your problematic app and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility and first run compatibility troubleshooters and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and also make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also run this program as an administrator. Make the check against this option and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the window and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to Windows Update and from the right side click on check for updates, and if any operating system update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various error appear. The next one is go to Windows search and here type store and here go to updates and downloads. Here you may click on check for updates or you may click on update all. Update all your store apps downloaded or installed in your system. Check for updates or update all. Check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here in command prompt windows, after blinking cursor, execute the command as shown on screen. These three DISM tool: DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and after that execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here from the available control panel items, look for the option recovery. Click on recovery. Here click on open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will open. Here from the bottom of the page, click on next and here choose a restore point from the available restore point, Windows Update or automatic restore point. You may choose show more restore points from the bottom right left corner and restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. Your computer will be back, and finally confirm your restore point. Choose finish. After that, restart your system and your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.